When you have team members who do not have enough client work, billable work, specifically on summertime in USA, June, July, August, and sometime in December, January, how do you plan to keep them occupied? Over the year, this has been a challenging thing. And I think if you are running an agency, you need to keep track of the data so you know when your pipeline goes empty, when you would not have work. So you need to start planning ahead. So these are five advice I would provide it to everyone, depending on what technology you are doing it. Number one, I think you should definitely put together a plan for training and skill development. Things are changing so rapidly. Team members need to learn new technology, get new certificates. So if you need some developers to learn some programming language or some new tools, this is the right time to plan everything and run it like a project. We've been doing it successfully when we run like a project and give them certain things to deliver. This really helps. Number two, if you're running a development agency or design agency, I think open source contribution is very good idea. GitHub and Drupal or other community, if you engage with the community and contribute there, eventually this will keep a momentum and it can bring more business to you in future. Internal hackathon or innovative challenges, I think hackathon always works to motivate team members. So you can create a hackathon to build some product which is internally you need. Like we have done many projects like that. Our HR team needs some tools. They are doing it in Excel, so they were able to ask them some of the survey we do before. All finance team needs certain tools. Every team has certain things which we are doing manually. You can ask your development team to do those tools, and arrange a hackathon with multiple location if you have it. So hackathon and innovative challenges is a great idea. One of the other things we do, we have a separate department for product development. So we always take those smaller ideas and make them bigger product, and we continuously work throughout the whole year to maintain them, and we release them in the market or we give it to the client. So building some new product within your team is not a bad idea, and on those slow time you can push them to deliver them, and you can sell it like plugin, Shopify plugin, WordPress plugin, Drupal plugin, Magento plugin, nowadays OpenAI, or all these plugins you can sell it to the marketplace. So that will bring you some revenue and traction also in the marketplace. Number four, refactoring and technical debt reduction. Use downtime to address technical debt and refactoring existing code base. A lot of time we have reusable code. It was done in few years ago. Some of the framework we developed, we want to give it to the client, but they are really old. So if we refactor those code base and review them and make it optimized and better, that is also a great idea. Develop a marketing strategy. Sometimes we involve our development and team member to involve in business development and marketing strategy and have session, get them involved in different forum activity. That really helps. Sometimes, let's say if you are a Drupal agency and if you go to Drupal and ask team member to reply to some of the comments, or maybe Shopify or Magento or WordPress, and that will give you traction and marketing initiatives. So these are my ideas for creating a backlog and how to solve that problem, that when you have team members free, most likely on summertime and December time. Thank you.